Did you know?
Did you know that there are many varieties, colors, and different tastes of fruit? Fruits are delicious and nutritious. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers, which makes them a natural medicine. Fruits improve digestion and keep your body fit and healthy. Red colored fruits are perfect for your heart. They keep it strong. Orange colored fruits are good for your eyesight. Yellow colored fruits keep sickness away. Green colored fruits are the ones to eat if you want strong bones and teeth. Blue and purple fruits help enhance memory. If you want to stay awake rather than drinking a cup of coffee, eat an apple. It will give you more energy. Its natural sugar is more potent than the caffeine in coffee. Strawberries are special because they are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. A strawberry has around 200 seeds. A kiwi doubles the amount of vitamin C in an orange. Tomatoes are in fact a fruit and perfect to clean your blood. Dried fruits compared to fresh fruits have more calories because the process of drying the fruits reduces the water content and volume. It is better not to peel your fruits before eating them because the skin, stalk, or rind are packed with nutrition, even more so than the actual fruit. All fruits should be rinsed before eating to avoid premature spoilage. So, now you know.